All right, Doug with Yaskawa here at Automate, visiting the Piab booth, and I'm here with Ron. So he is the district sales manager with Piab, and he's going to take us through some of the products. You might just know them for their suction cups or end-of-arm tooling or something, but he's going to give you a kind of a rundown across their some of their products that they've got on display for you. So take it away, Ron.
Thanks, Doug. We could start here in this corner. As you can see on the Yaskawa robot that we have what's called the Safe and Light from Jolin, which Jolin is now a member of the Piab group and the #1 manufacturer of foam gripping end-of-arm tooling. And again, the Safe and Light has been around for, I think, about a year now, but ultralight end-of-arm tool, foam gripper. One of the key features also is the Easy Foam, which uses a magnetic surface to change the foam instead of having to use an adhesive. Yeah. So the Easy Foam makes it very easy to change out. And the tool itself, the lightweight tool, it's almost all foam, and except for a carbon fiber plate. So the lighter the tooling, the better payload you can utilize your robots for.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a great piece.
Excellent.
And again, attached to the Yaskawa robot, a brand that we display often, and a company that we appreciate, and very easy to work with. And yeah, it's great company to partner up.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for that plug, Ron.
Certainly.
So what do we got next?
We could come over here. And so on there, we see a demonstration of more of a lightweight foam gripper, but on here, these are basically replicas of much larger end-of-arm tools that we offer, whether they're clamping devices, fork-type tools, bag grippers, but more of the heavier payload items, multiple carton handling, and things of that nature. You could see with the tool changer, we could go from one to another. This is a fork tool here, so great for palletizing as well. And yeah, so these are just kind of mini replicas of those much larger tools that we build.
Excellent.
If we want to go forward, then we could see the bread and butter of Piab, really what got us there. Just a large variety of suction cups and pneumatic pumps that we offer. I think one here that is really taking on is a PiSafe. So this cup here, it's for sealed surfaces. However, when you put it on, when you attach it, there's a vacuum trap in there that allows it to stay attached. So you could have air going to it constantly, but the air supply is basically on demand. So as that air may deteriorate, it'll give a quick charge, recharge it again, and that'll stick there again for a almost unlimited amount of time. Another thing is soft grippers as well. We could show these items here becoming more and more popular, especially in food handling as well.
Yes.
And then again, new egg style cup that we have, and just again a multitude of other vacuum related automation products.
Here we've got compensators back here, right?
Level compensators for uneven surfaces that you could put in on different types of tooling as well.
And am I correct on these PiSafe? Is this the same module to where you lose power and it's going to maintain that air, right?
Exactly.
So that's another example of how these can be utilized.
Yeah, and you can see there's nothing going to it, and it has a hold on it just by pressing down on it.
Yeah, so for anything non-porous, I know using like windshields and things like that.
Exactly, windshield, sheet metal. So that's a huge automotive pump that is very successful in that industry. So, and then again, the next side of things is the cobot world. I mean, so we have a full line of cobot tooling. This is called our CPT, or cobot palletizing tool. Again, another foam style gripper, but by easily removing this plate, there's also another plate that has suction cups on it as well. So you could have either one as the gripping attachment. And then this is the Pi Cobot Large. So again, a tool, the pump valve unit all built into one that could be attached to the end of a cobot. 16 kilogram capacity on this.
And that's just the ISO mount, right?
This is the ISO mount as
Mounts
well.
right up to the robots. Yep.
Exactly.
Great.
And then, yeah, we'll keep on moving on. We could also show on here. We have this display, and you'll see in a moment, but we have a Piab automatic tool changer as well now. And we should see that happen at some point here. But, yeah. We typically, our booth, would usually have just the static robots, but we wanted to create a more interactive work cell. You'll see that tool changer over there.
Oh, yeah.
How it docks. Then it'll come over here and grab this one.
Very slick. And then the cup tower.
And then the infamous cup tower. These things are all over, but it may seem like a very simple thing. However, there's so many great ways to determine what cup you need based on what's on here. It shows virtually all of our different styles of cups, breaks it down by what their specialty is. I mean, their cups are engineered pieces. They're not just generic things. And so whether it's for high heat applications, whether it's for automotive or glass handling, again, the HMBR or silicone or, food safe cups like this for depanning bread. And then
Duraflex,
probably the greatest cup out there for corrugated containers is the Duraflex. And they're pie grip cups, modular cups that could have different lip styles, different numbers of bellows all made. And then again, each one kind of has an explanation of what the different lips, what their specialty is, what they're made for. Again, this is something for bag handling, and then other just general handling of product as well. And there's always places. There's always room where we're always launching new things. So there's always some empty slots on here for new product that we'll add to it. And yeah, this is a great tool, simple but really effective. A lot of our distributors have them in their facilities, and it shows really well.
Great. And then we go over to kind of more of the tooling side,
yeah,
right?
Lastly, again, we have through different acquisitions, we've become very big with end-of-arm tooling, and these are individual components that are available for sale for, again, sprue grippers and cutters, different pieces that holders, and just a multitude of different items that can make a modular tool put together.
Yep.
Quick mount,
changers,
quick robot mounts there.
Excellent.
And, yeah, so it's
thank you very much, Ron. I really appreciate the time and taking us around.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Yep. We appreciate working with you guys.
Thanks, Ron.
Thank you.